Hello, dear netizen. Welcome and nice to cross paths. Today, you will learn 2 methods to design a professional logo, which can be done all under 3 minutes. Let's get started. I use a tool called Canva for this exercise. You can either go to canva.com or install Canva on your computer. Let's say we want to create a professional logo for my coffee business. Firstly, create a new file this way, and let's search for a suitable ready-to-use graphic. First, I will search for, let's say, some coffee beans to use in the logo. This can be searched under the Elements sidebar. Then go to the Graphics tab and choose a suitable one to use. You can drag and drop it onto the canvas. This one looks good. Let's use it for our coffee business logo. Now let's add some text for our logo. Let's say we call our business Bean Magic. For this, choose the Text sidebar and search for a suitable style of text to use. Then type as required. You can play around with the size of the coffee bean, rotate it, move it, adjust the text size. It's all so very easy to move, align and work with, as you can see. Adjusting the fonts, changing the size, moving them around, all pretty easy, as you can see on the screen. Let us now adjust the font to fit it all nicely together. And as the next step, you can change the color to suit your imagination. We can even use the color picker tool to pick colors from anywhere on the screen if you wish. How about we pick a nice shade from our coffee bean to use on our logo text to add some character? To add a nice touch, let's tilt the beans a bit to appear more coherent. It's very easy to make such fine changes without much trouble. As we have just hit the 2-minute mark, and with more time in hand, let's add some more additional touches. An additional caption for the logo next. Finally, before we finish, let me show another example. Let's now add a shine to our logo with an easy step. For this, we will need a white circle, which is yet another element or graphic that you can search like before, and then drag and drop. Then we can use the transparency setting to convert it into a light glow to give it a nice little shine on the logo surface. This may not be the best logo you've seen ever, but I hope is worth the little effort we have put in here. And the clock. We could make our own logo in under a 3-minute. Now, with that out of the way, let me take a few seconds to show you an easier way to use any of the thousands of pre-made logos within Canva that you can pick and edit further to speed up our logo creation process. Also, the note that the free version of Canva offers a huge collection of graphics that you can use for free too. Now, if your logo creation effort is once off, then a 30-day trial gives you full access to the whole bunch. Search for the logo templates. Pick one that you like to edit and build on like this as the first step. Next, you can get creative by making modifications to colors, fonts, placement, add other graphic elements, change looks, etc. The limit is your imagination. Like in this example, I picked a design, now added a leaf element onto it, changed colors. See how our final outcome is taking shape. Now that you have the information you are after, I'm hoping I have been useful. Before we part our ways, please do consider subscribing.